I wanted to do a quick tutorial for you on how to order your magic bands for your trip. So I am on the My Disney Experience account and I'm logged into my account, and I'm going to click on the My or hover over the My Disney Experience logo, come down and click on the My Magic Bands and Cards. So if you have a reservation on Walt Disney World property, you have access to select magic bands at reduced prices, and you just have to order those through your My Disney Experience account before you go. So my reservation is going to show up here, and I'm going to click Get Started to place my magic band order. Now there'll be a lot of different options for you to choose from. So you can scroll through. The options that you see on my screen today might not be the same ones that you see when you do yours, just because they do change quite frequently. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to select magic bands for myself first. And I have already looked at these, so there is a specific one that I'm looking for, but you can scroll over and you can see the different options and if there's any additional costs for them. So I'm looking for this really cute Minnie Mouse one for myself. And there it is. This is the one that I want. So it's a Minnie Mouse with polka dots. So I'm going to select that one for myself. It's going to bring me to this screen where I can change the inside, and we're going to make that Mickey. And I'm going to hit complete. Then it will take me back to the main screen for my reservation so I can select the other people in my traveling party. So my hubby is going to be going with me this time. We're going to select him, and for his band, we're going to get this Monsters, Inc. one. So, and we'll keep his name the same. We'll go down to complete our order. And now that I've selected for everyone, it should take us to the checkout screen. All right, one more step. Ticker says we just have to go to checkout. So when you order your bands, depending on how far in advance you're ordering them, you will get them shipped to your home. If, like me, you're ordering a little closer to your trip, you'll get them shipped to the resort and you'll pick them up at check-in. So just waiting for this to finalize. And if you have been to Disney World in the past, you are more than welcome to use old magic bands. As long as the battery is still active, you can use those. If you've gone before, you'll realize that now we do have to purchase magic bands rather than them being complimentary with your reservation. There are some plain colored ones that are even less expensive. But if you want something that's cute and printed, it does come at a little more of a cost. So I'm just gonna scroll through, verify everything. And I am actually gonna have to go look up my code. So I'm gonna stop the tutorial here. Let me know if you have any more questions, but you should just have to enter in your credit card information and then hit purchase. So always here to answer questions that you have on any part of the My Disney Experience program for your trip. Happy Magic Band ordering, and we will chat with you soon. Bye-bye.